The AudioQuest Vodka HDMI cable is designed to deliver exceptional performance and value for systems utilizing eARC or ARC outputs from televisions. With a high-speed transfer capacity of 48 gigabits per second, this cable supports up to 10,000 ultra-high-definition video, ensuring stunning visual clarity. The ability to handle resolutions up to 8,000 at 60 frames per second and 4,000 at 120 frames per second makes it perfect for modern gaming setups. The advanced design with 10% silver eARC conductors enhances audio quality, providing a more immersive sound experience. AudioQuest's innovative use of silver-plated copper improves noise dissipation, resulting in a clearer and more dynamic audiovisual performance. The eARC Priority design significantly reduces latency, making this cable an excellent choice for competitive gamers seeking top-tier performance.